Hello once more, this is Techmsafi with another video. So in today's video I wanna talk about the Safaricom latest updates. As you all know that the Communications Authority of Kenya had issued a statement for every Kenyan to re-register their lines. Now this issue has been caused by the increase in mobile money fraud. So as you can see right now on my screen, these are news from Nation. I will leave a link in the description for you to see why the Communications Authority of Kenya needed to do this for you to re-register and verify your details. Now, without going even further, let's just go to today's video and show you how you can verify if your SIM card is okay or you need to register. Okay, now here at Techmsafi we normally provide you with banning updates, what is happening around your wall or anything that is happening now. Okay, now I want to take you through the process of verification. First, you need to check your SIM card whether it's verified or not. So now open your mobile phone and just dial *106# and then I will just show you a video on that. I will show you a video. You need to dial *106#, then check registration status, which is number 1, then wait for some time, then a message will appear. Okay, next now I want to show you what is inside that message. So that message shows you whether your SIM card is verified or not. Okay, let me just show you some screenshots of the same and you will confirm for yourself. Now this is the one for unregistered, or it's not fully registered. You can see that it reads, "Dear customer, registration details for the mobile numbers below are not complete. Please visit the nearest shop or agent to submit your details." Blah blah blah. Then the numbers are given. Now for the second one, which is registered, it says, "Dear customer, registration details for the mobile numbers below are compliant as per government regulations." So the numbers are given 1 2 3 blah blah. Okay, now guys, here as you know that here at Techmsafi we normally provide you with real updates happening right now, banning updates and everything you need to know. So if you are not yet our subscriber, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button and you'll never miss these updates. These are very important updates and you are not supposed to miss. So smash that subscribe button and let's see you in another video.